What's up, y'all? Hello, world. I just wanted to do a little quick update because it's still Sunday. It's still Monday. It's now 2027, and apparently, when I made my video an hour ago, my computer was just frozen. Well, my MetaTrader was frozen, so I didn't realize that price has moved significantly since I've last checked in. So let me just update y'all. Gold smashed my TP. So last night I was hunting. The video I made last night, I actually said I'm about to get into this gold scout. And then something happened with Kyler and I couldn't get it, but it was a perfect second turtle silk entry. I had 1, 2, 3 entries that I really should have held the whole time. And them motherfuckers played out perfectly. No drawdown in either of them. It's crazy. It's crazy to think about, but. All right, so anyways, gold is now, it fell a lot. It's at 2020 now. I was in it at 2038. I still want to see it try to get down to equilibrium down here, but we don't know about that. 1977 is a stretch. I'm gonna just see how it reacts because it's in a very sensitive area right now. We're in this little volume imbalance after we have taken out that low I was telling you about. So I'm very interested to see how exactly we're gonna react here. I really want to see it take out this low. Technically, we are still in a premium market, so sales are still valid. And I really want to see it take out this low, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. There is a fair value gap I would love to see it trade back up into so I can get another sell for this week. But yeah, so gold melted, meaning NASDAQ dropped, but it did exactly what I was anticipating. It kind of fell back into this little range. Since yesterday, on Friday, NASDAQ made an all-time high. Wicked up, but it just wicked above the all-time highs. It did not close up there. So, and there's some SMT divergence on the SPX 500 and NASDAQ. So I really want to see a retrace. There's an area of interest on both of them that is under current price that I would love to see it trade into. So yeah, we're just gonna keep that perspective. I have a inverse fair value gap on the 4-hour on NAS. I'm gonna mark it up right now and just see how price reacts inside of this 4-hour inverse fair value gap, because we smashed it. If price shouldn't have done that if it was gonna respect it. Okay. What time is it? 10:31. So it's 11:31 in New York. Approaching the lunch hour. We're gonna check back in after lunch. I gotta drop Kyler off in about an hour and a half or 2 hours, and I'll check back in after that. I'm gonna keep my eye on price, but other than that, GU dropped. I should have. Oh, GU, and it traded exactly into this level that I wanted to see it trade. So I don't know if anybody has ever realized this, but efficient price, always, what's the word? So each candle kind of needs to trade back into itself for efficiency. So if you get a long candle or small candle, whichever one, I always mark up the high, low, open, close. And for a down close candle, like this one, for example, I have a video recording of it as well. I marked up the low of this candle. And what I wanted to see, this was a daily candle. This was Friday. I marked up the low of the daily candle and I wanted to be selling above that low. Anything above that low was good to me. And you see what it did? It traded up into that low last night. So if this is the 10 o'clock hour candle, so this is gonna be 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At 1 o'clock, at 2 o'clock, we got our real entry, but I was already asleep by then, so. But that's exactly what I was waiting for. I went to sleep right before it started trading up above that line, but my turtle soup pattern emerged then. Great sell too. Would have caught the whole, basically the lion's portion of Monday's move. With that being said, we are almost at these relatively equal lows on on GBP, USD. We have these relatively equal lows here. I would love to see price trade all the way there. If I can get an entry and target that before it actually reaches that, I'm going for that short. But that's all I'm gonna talk about right now. So as you can see, price moved a lot. This is gold. From where I got in up here, this was the first entry, to where I got out. I low-key got out here, like right in this area. I got in here and I got out here, but it kept on going. Could have got in another entry here. This was a good little trade. I had also got in here. Let me show you on the 15-minute. I got in here. This was my entry. First turtle soup, boom. And then I got in here, but I did not. Came back, boom. But yeah, so that's the business. NASDAQ, we looking to continue lower still. I'll check back later.